So this is the oils. They are laying these oils, and then after they'll put the final layer. I think it's supposed to be put tomorrow. If not, they'll put it on today. We are around Bugolobi. Wow. Here comes the king of the rails. See the other ones crossing, yet the train is coming. Caught in the action. See? It's gone. What's for that? Wow. It's like it's slowing down to wait for the other person. So this is supposed to carry like containers. Wow, finally they are working onto this part after a long time. They've worked on different parts. Now this. So after this layer, there will be the stone-based water compaction. They will be compacting the stones, and later the ones that contain asphalt will come in. Let me cross to the other side. So this is a whole water channel that was built, or maybe I can show it to you. Like this also took some time, and that's how huge it is. It has 3 different sections, and it goes not straight but a bit curvy. I want to find myself the other side, but it's a bit risky crossing here. I crossed. So they are pouring water as they compact. Wow. The water stone based compaction. They put water, put stones, and then compact them. So its name alone tells you what it is. That's the whole layer of tarmac they have put. Woo, 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 woo. It's scary. This car passing by you. So I think they'll be working on this today, and tomorrow they'll be working on the other parts. Because they can't fully close the road and then do constructions. No. By the way, before this level. They mixed marram with stones, you can clearly see them. Then after put this, then later on, this one was looking at what he was carrying. They almost cut off my head. I knew the moment it slowed down, I knew something wasn't right. So it stops there. Here they haven't put, they've just mixed the soil with stones. So it's this machine here that does the mixing. And this is the front, this is the back. So this is the one that does the mixing. It has a brush-like structure inside there. It does the mixing. So hopefully very soon this is going to be done as well. So by the way, you guys, Yokuku, they work on chicken. They do supply chicken. I think this is where this one is going. It's a freezer truck. So they slaughter chicken and then distribute to different people that need it. I was saying, guys, no one told me that this was the US Embassy. No one told me that. Apparently it started from here, went to a place called Machindia. From there, it went to Zambia where it is. Wow. All those are their trucks, so that one is bringing more concrete stones, of course mixed with sand dust. This is the combination. It is not soil, it's sand dust and stones. So when the two are given water and then compressed, that's what happens. Later they will put the layers of asphalt and then do the finishing. That's how it works. So it's funny. It's like a good, I think 7 months after the place or the part in front there was fully tarmacked. It was tarmacked and they ended there. Got another distance, that's where it ended, and then from the other side nothing was done. So it's just a small part in the middle. I don't really know why they only worked upon that, but we shall be going there as well and see it. So starting from somewhere at the back up to around here, this is where the constructions happened long time ago, and now they are continuing the other side as well. I can clearly see something happening there. So let's go and see what's happening there. So a border guy saw me put my hand at the back and he thought I was stopping him. And also this place is supposed to be, you can see, look at this tree. This place is supposed to be owned by the National Forestry Authority. Look at the trees. It's where the tree, remember the tree logs that fall? Like there is a video I did, I was in one of the forests. Like those the huge trees that lose balance and fall, they are cut and then timber is got out, it's brought here. This is where you buy it from. Like this timber is believed to be good timber that is harvested in a way that is not harmful to the environment. So they have a nursery bed as well, as far as I know. They also have a nursery bed, and yeah, this is where you'd get them from. Real natural trees, not the ones that are improved. You find them here. Look at this tree. So that's what they do. They are the National Forestry Authority. Yeah, this is the head office, and this is called the Spring Road. Anything you want to know, they also have opportunities for places to rent out or to lease in case you need a place for, let me say, an eco lodge or what, they'll give you. But well, they have stringent rules according to what you're supposed to be doing. Anyway, so I'm just passing by the regulator of all anything to do with telecoms. It's this, radios, TVs, supposed to be here. So it's slow here because they are working. And I think I'll be finding myself the other side. Someone's seriously showering them. So I want to go through this traffic. That's how crazy it is. Woo! So they are going to be laying a layer around here. That's why they are washing. Woo! Not washing, they are trying to chop off the dust such that they don't mix up. So this is after the stone-based water compaction. Now they are putting the final layer. Wow. This is the machine that is going to be laying. And this is supposed to be one of the targets of the day. It's a beehive of activities around here. I can show you where they've just laid, or where they're going to lay, because it's like they've just put. Wow. So they haven't put anything. They're just laying the, what is it called? Bitumen? That's what it's called, I think. So this is the oils. They are laying these oils, and then after they'll put the final layer. I think it's supposed to be put tomorrow. If not, they'll put it on today. We are around Bugolobi. This is where we are. If only they saw you cross or walk on this thing, or even ride on this thing. Walking would be okay, but riding or driving on this thing, they would arrest you and then fine you. Finally, they are working on this part. Happy for the people around here. I'm happy for them. I thought they had tarmacked here, but they haven't. And this is where the walkways are supposed to be. This is where I am. That's an ambulance. Wow. The drainage channels here are big. So for the people that listen to Radio City 97 FM Uganda, it's around here in that building. That's where it is. I've ever been here because I was a big listener. I also was a caller. So one time I called, they had a giveaway and I won myself some goodies. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like this video. We are moving on. I think we shall go up to around Bugolobi. Oh, I see it's ending around here. We are supposed to take on this and then go to another area for another video as well. Hopefully you've liked this, or you've got some memories. Most of these are the legendary homes around here. This was one of the most frequented place for happenings, for bars, for hotels, and rich people. Of course, Bugolobi is one of the rich man's paradises, or was, because a lot of people are now shifting, finding other areas. If they can, they sell and then buy somewhere else out of the city where it's more convenience. Wow. So there is going to be an island in the middle, separated by bricks. That's the reason of that space in the middle. This space is the one that I'm talking about. So here the walkways disappear, they are not anywhere. Maybe they'll be working on that later on, because this is where the drainage channel is and the road ends around here. The cover is not there, or the lid. It was taken off because maybe they were clearing inside. I think the next video that I'll be doing on this project will be when the project is done. That's when I'll be doing a video around here. So this is how Bugolobi looks like 2025. That takes you to the rest of Bugolobi. Bugolobi flats you take on the other side, which is the left. And on the right you have happening places. Then this will take you to the other side of Luzira. Mutungo. And when I look around here, this time there is a difference from what I left the other time. I think I'm gonna end it around here. Thank you for watching to this very end. And this is where I'm going to be ending the video. I'm going to be continuing with this exploration, but bringing it in a different video, because this is gonna be too long. I didn't want anything longer today. So let's continue. We meet in another one. I'm out. Peace.